Kevyn V, voicemail. Yeah, man. Respect. All right.
Respect.
Right away now. The new thing them we are defend right now. What's new on the platform now?
What's new? You don't know. The solo project. Skill and Steady just dropped.
Yeah.
You know, like 2 weeks now. And you know what I mean, doing exceptionally well. It has probably about it has amassed probably about what 50,000 over 50,000 streams right now.
Yeah.
Within the space of the 2 weeks that it has been released. You know what I mean? It has been added to 4 major playlists, top playlists on Spotify. So without even any promotion or
Major
anything like that, you understand?
yeah.
So just by itself, you know what I mean? It has been on the Spotify editorial page for about from no time it was released till now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So definitely it is a wonderful look. It don't even start playing on radio out here yet. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna send it to no DJ out here yet.
Wow.
I'm gonna send it to no DJ a foreign yet. It's just like the producer probably send it to like a few people in a film circle. It's from Europe,
Right,
from
right.
Germany. There's a team of them 3 persons, you know what I mean? Dancehall rulers, DJ DJ Tades and Tufik Beats. You know, they basically you know what I mean, come together and produce the whole project. And as I said, it's been fire so far, you know what I mean?
Man.
So we're getting ready for the island promotion, you know what I mean? Get it to the Jamaican radio stations and thing.
All right. So, what inspired the lyrics and the title? What you come with the title, lyrics? What inspired this song?
Funny enough, it's a funny story, and it's a hilarious story, not a funny story.
No funny stories.
Like one day my idle, and you know the whole corona thing, you're inside. You don't really have much to do, so I kind of just take my time for just basically just scroll through to YouTube and try learn some new things, try learn some editing things, whether by visual editing or you know, learn recording stuff.
Okay.
So I just try learn everything because it basically you just want to use the time to occupy your time and even use the opportunity to learn something that you wanted to learn before.
True,
you know,
true.
that this time has permitted you to do. You know what I mean? So me kind of just did it, and then it's like I'm gonna create a artwork for, you know, just like how you create an artwork for
Like a
song.
graphic?
A graphic artwork for a song. So I go some man did it on my phone and I mess around with what I learn, you know, and I created a artwork with my picture on it and at the title and it says Kevyn V, Skill and Steady. So I like it and I just go some and post it on IG. When I post it on IG now, couple people comment underneath it and say, yo, when the song you drop?
Yeah, man.
I didn't
find a song.
Yeah, me never put in the comments say, you know, no song a forward.
Yeah.
Me just post it, you know what I mean? And everybody checks say, boy, it's a song.
Yeah.
So me say, nice, it's something for go off for, you know. You know what I mean? And then my bridging now Flow, as me tell you from Dancehall Road, has sent me the beat. But he sent me the beat and say, he want me pray. But when him send beats is a voicemail beat.
Okay.
You know, because the youth who have been around for a long time, he's been doing the last set of voicemail tours. Like probably for the past 3-4 tours, Europe tours. He's been the tour manager for those. So it's somebody that, you know, when him send a beat, his voicemail, him send the beat. So when him send the beat, I said to him, him say, Mohammed, pray it. So when him send that message, I said to him, my message in box same time, I said to him, yo, it's me you want to pray the rhythm, it's me you send the rhythm for our voicemail. And him said, no man, you man.
That sound
slightly
different.
So I said, alright. So I go to Bam now and same time I fall around the studio. And I go to Bam and start playing it in the car. And as I pull up in the parking lot, a melody in my brain, you know? And I say, the first thing I say at that, we hear just play a while again, and I say, Spanish girl, I say, hey papi, she hear me name and she get happy. And I never have nothing more, I just mumble. After that, and until I reach the chorus part, and I say, Skill and Steady, Yeah, some vibes have up already. I'm gonna say, blood, see, this have a vibe, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see me? At the same time, I just got some man voice note him what me have. You know, and him say, yo, dog, that's a murder. You know? So I just say forward and then we just link up Malanese and one morning we just forward about, I wake him up out time bed about 8 o'clock and I say, yo, dog, today, you know, around the studio, you know, forward around the studio and knock it out. And then send it back to them. When we send it back to them, the man might say, yo, dog, this is perfect.
Yeah.
You know? Even the British part where you hear. You see me? So, the creative part of it was simple. Me just, basically from the first 2 lines, me just know my conversation I go,
right.
and where the argument I go, and then me just, you know, make sure that the melodies where me I chop and how me I flow up on the beat is something where can be transcending, not just for Jamaican market, but transcending outside where everybody can understand, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
With still keeping that Jamaican element to it, you know?
Yeah. Alright, well, in terms of promotions now, because they say you not start go hard on the promotions yet, but you have a set release date or you just...
No, as I said, the song was released 2 weeks ago, you know. Officially released
but
2 weeks ago.
locally.
But, it is released everywhere, worldwide.
Okay.
It's released worldwide, but in terms of every DJ having it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because you know that's a different thing.
Right,
you know,
right,
you gotta link the DJs them or the radio station and you know present the project to them. You know what I mean? And hopefully them like it and you know them can work with it, you see me? So that's our reach right now, you know?
Alright. And tell your viewers, your fans, where them can hit you up in terms of getting more of these songs. Listen the tune. If they want to purchase it, you know,
I mean,
regular
simple,
platforms.
You know, on all digital platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, you name it. Just go in, type in Kevyn V, Skill and Steady. You'll see the rest of singles that has been released before pop up. If you want to purchase them that way, you can purchase them there. But you don't know for right now. Skill and Steady.
Alright, well, so the tune just pull up in the studio. Frankie Music.
Yeah.
So, we're going to ask Kevyn to pull it up again. Make a hear P-side and then he's going to give fans a P-side live.
No,
Skill and Steady.
Yeah.
Alright.
Over there, yes, over there.
Yeah.
Pull up with it.
Turn it up.
Yeah, don't fake. Yeah. The DJ told us. Yeah, man. Teino Media. Dance all rulers. Become skill and steady. Them girl rulers. Spanish girl as the ain't poppy. She hear me name and she get happy. It's like a river when she remember me. Slippery and wet like a ice hockey. And just the time and the vibe and the mood is right. My tail soaking and the liver get right. She a reminisce on me touch her body right. Make it shoot off like a Ducati bike. They love me, girls them love me. Me and them body, that's why they love me. Yeah. Become a skill and steady. Girls on my voice, if I up already. Chop before me book on me touch her ready. She wet already, but stop before me touch her there. She keeps coming, she keeps coming, coming, she keeps coming back, yeah. British girl, yeah, she live in a brick cell. Says she in love with the yard man. Dance out, make she shake up her bam bam. She said me stand firm like the clock in the London. Skill out, she me name, so you better keep up. Premier League thing, nah, never dig up. Must get booked from you get the first touch. This a boy cause it just like a river. Love me, girls them love me. Me and them body, that's why they love me. They got me skill and steady. Girls on my voice, if I up already. Chop before me buck on my family. She wet already, but chop before me touch her there. She keeps coming, she keeps coming, coming, coming. She keeps coming back. She keeps coming, she keeps coming, coming, coming. She keeps coming back. You got me still out steady. Yeah, man.
Vibe mad, man.
Respect, bro. You know the thing, man. So, you know what I mean? We travel a lot, so we know we kind of get an understanding of what people, you know what I mean? We know them groove, we know them love the dancehall itself. I mean, from the beat drop itself, you know what I mean? The dancehall beat drop, people get crazy.
Yeah.
So what we have to do now is learn to, as artists, is learn how to format our lyrics and our conversations to do, so that they can understand it. You know what I mean? I mean, we have everything as an industry in Jamaica. We have basically flooded the world and infected the world with something that is natural.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? We don't have an industry like the US or the rest of the world, really. Because as far as I'm concerned, we are the only industry that don't have a proper structure in the way we do things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We don't have a record company over there so that's set up to develop an artist or to sign an artist, and to know that when you're signed to a label, alright, you're put in a comfort zone where you can sit down and focus and do music. Out here, you have to deal with everything as an artist.
Yeah.
So you get up, you're living at most of the artists then come from in the garrison or the inner city areas, as you can see. So when you go suburban and try be an artist, you also try to maintain your life and stay safe at the same time.
True.
So you try skip the elements of what the inner city comes with, as well as you try make a living same way, because as I say, you don't have a record company that sees your talent and goes to Bam and say, alright, boom, I like that talent there, sign you. And then goes to Bam and give you a signing bonus and say, alright, go live in another penthouse there and focus on writing your music and whatever.
We need some of that.
Yeah, trust me.
We need a money person to invest.
Yeah, trust me. And I think that's really and truly all dancehall and reggae needs, is that we just don't have that. Yeah. We don't have much people that really believe in the product that much, and for something that has been generating so much income for this country and this little island over the years, it hurt me every time. Yeah. It's like, I don't want to see no politician, I don't want to see none of them who come to me with certain argument. You know what I mean? Because this is something personal to me. You know? Yeah.
Alright. Well, there you have it from Kevyn V. Skill and Steady. The new track out now.
Yeah, man.
It soon flood everywhere.
Right now.
Airwaves all around.
Yeah, man. The lyric video is also on YouTube, so you can go check that out on YouTube. You know what I mean? At Dancehall Rulers down on YouTube page. You don't know the thing, so you can learn all the lyrics them too. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Cool. Teino Evans Media. One love.